In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage campaigns in HubSpot. We'll begin right from your HubSpot dashboard. From here, open the top navigation and click More to reveal additional tools. Select Marketing and then choose Campaigns. This section is your command center for everything tied to a campaign, from planning and assets to measurement and optimization. On the Campaigns page, you'll see any existing drafts alongside campaigns you've already built. Click into a draft if you're continuing work, or create a new campaign if you're starting fresh. Either way, once you open a campaign, you'll have a clear view of its details and tools. Next, head to the Performance tab. This is where you evaluate how your campaign is doing. You'll typically see key metrics like sessions, new contacts, influence contacts, deals, and revenue attribution. Depending on your HubSpot subscription level, some of these metrics may vary or appear in more depth. Think of sessions as the traffic your campaign is generating. New contacts show net new people captured through your campaign. Influence contacts reflect people who engage with assets connected to the campaign, even if they didn't convert right away. Deals and revenue attribution help you understand business impact, tying your marketing work to pipeline and sales outcomes. With performance in mind, move to the top right and select Edit Campaign. This opens the settings panel where you can refine the fundamentals. Update your campaign goals and targets so they match what success should look like, whether that's lead volume, engagement, or revenue impact. Adjust your budget if spending plans have changed, and double-check your start and end dates to make sure reporting aligns with the actual timeline. You can also manage associated assets here. Link or adjust emails, landing pages, blog posts, ads, and workflows, so all the pieces of your campaign are connected and tracked together. Keeping these assets associated ensures your performance data is complete and attribution is as accurate as possible. When your edits are finished, click Save and View. Always save to apply your updates and return to the overview. This simple step keeps your work organized and ensures your latest changes are reflected across performance and reporting. That's the workflow. Navigate from the dashboard to marketing and campaigns, open your draft or create a new one, review results in the Performance tab, fine-tune settings and assets with Edit Campaign, and then Save and View. Follow this routine regularly to keep your HubSpot campaigns aligned with your goals and delivering measurable results.